Example number 5, page 300. Integrate the following function with respect to x. So there is a 5 questions, right? And we have to integrate these given functions, right? Now, first question. We assume that I is equal to integration sin mx dx. Now, यहाँ पे जो एक दिया है sin mx, we have formula for sin x only. That means if you show आपको कुछ भी नया दिखाई दे, जैसे डिफरेंशिएशन में किया, right? Similarly as कुछ भी नया, ये हाँ x चाहिए, x है क्या? नहीं है, तो assume for that. Same as we did in differentiation. So we are assuming that mx is equal to t. So let mx is equal to t. As we discussed in theoretical portion, if we assume we have to differentiate this, so derivative of this is m constant, derivative of x is 1, so m dx, right, is equal to this differential we have to write. So dx, we have to differentiate this, that is dx by dt with respect to t. So we are writing differential m dx is equal to dt as we discussed in theory, right? Because we have to do here m dx by dt is equal to 1. So this is m dx is equal to dt. So you have to write directly differential here, right? So, but we can't have m. So we have only dx. We have only this dx. Right? So from this making subject to dx, so dx is equal to 1 upon m dt. Dx is equal to 1 upon m dt. So from here, now I will be changed into integration sin mx is t. So this is sin t and dx is dt by m. Now m is constant, so taking outside the integral sign, so this is 1 upon m integration sin t dt, and now you know integration of sin t is minus cos t, because this is integration not differentiation. So answer will be 1 upon m into minus cos t plus c, right? Now एक बात और याद रखनी है कि आप यहाँ पे ऐसा आंसर छोड़ देते हैं एग्जाम में, वो नहीं चलेगा, बिकॉज t is our assumption. You have to replace the value of t what we assume is mx. So you have to put the original value. आपको ओरिजिनल वैल्यू जो है वही सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. यहाँ पे ऐसा छोड़ के आ जाएंगे तो आपका मार्क्स कट हो जाएगा, राइट? सो दिस विल बी, आंसर विल बी minus 1 upon m cos, and what is t? T is mx. So cos mx plus c. This is your answer. Got it? समझ में आई ना बात? क्या करना है? जो आपके पास स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है उसको एज्यूम कर लो. आइदर, और क्या कर सकते हैं, वो जैसे जैसे डिफरेंट टाइप्स के एग्जाम्पल आते जाएंगे वैसे हम डिस्कस करते जाएंगे, तो आप नोट करते जाना. और अदर कीप इन योर माइंड, बिकॉज ये जो हार्ड डिस्क है ना, ये हार्ड डिस्क बहुत ही बड़ा है, राइट? इसका कोई मेजरमेंट ही नहीं है कि क्या इसका रैम है, क्या कैपेसिटी है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे once again I am repeating this, sin mx dx is given and we have formula for only integration sin x dx, that is minus cos x plus c. This is our standard formula, right? And here it is given sin mx, so no standard is there, so we are assuming for this, that is this is, if something is new is given, right, in spite of standard form, then you have to assume for that. कुछ भी नया दिखाई दे, राइट, आपको assume करना है. Second question, this is, so second question is I is equal to integration twice x sin, again sin x square plus 1 dx is given, right? If it is given that integrate the following function with respect to x, then they are they are giving only this type of function, so you have to put integration and dx, that is the sign of the integration you have to put, and this is your fx only given, right? Now twice x, no problem. So this is at first attempt is seen like a multiplication, but we are not able to integrate the product of two functions, right? As I said earlier. तब क्या करें? तो देखो साइन क्या चाहिए, x चाहिए, ये तो x है, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, राइट? तो ये क्या है, x square plus 1. So what is new? X square plus 1 is something new. So we assuming for x square plus 1, and see derivative of this is this, right? So this is the hint. So we have to assume this is something new. So we assume that let x square plus 1 is equal to t. So now differentiation of this, right? So x square derivative twice x, we have to put dx here and dt, right? Because as same like this, we are differentiating with respect to t. So we are writing differential of x and t, right? Now this, see, right? Keep pencils in your hands, in left hand always, right? If you are writing from right hand, right? So आपके पास एक पेंसिल होना चाहिए, पेंसिल करेंगे तो भी चलेगा. तो ये क्या हुआ, तो twice x dx. So this is this twice x dx, this is, right, is your dt. So in this telephone receiver, old style phone, okay, so ये जो है वो क्या हो गया, dt हो गया. तो हमारा I क्या होगा, तो I is equal to integration. Now this is sine and x square plus 1 is t. So this is again sine t, and this telephone receiver twice x dx is dt. So this is dt. Now integration of sine t. Integration of sine t is minus cos, right? So answer will be minus cos t plus c. Minus cos t plus c. As soon as you finish the integration, you have to put arbitrary constant for integration. Now what is t? T is x square plus 1. So replace t by original value x square plus 1. So answer will be minus cos x square plus 1 plus c. So this is your answer, right? Got it? Now third question. I is equal to integration 10 raised to 4 root x into sec square root x whole upon root x. What is new? Everything is new. Yes, right? But we can write this as 10 root x raised to 4 into sec square root x whole upon root x. We can write this as this also, and dx. I forget to write here dx. Right? You have to put dx also, right? Always you have to put integration dx fx. Now 10 root x. So this is new. So you can assume root x is equal to t again. So if we assume root x is equal to t, then it's okay. But in this example, there is also another function sec square root x. एक और फंक्शन भी है, sec square root x भी है. और sec square किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है, 10 का. तो है 10 आपके पास है, तो ये fx, then this is f dash x हो गया, right? तो हम क्या करते हैं, instead of assuming root x is equal to t, हम root x is equal to t लेके भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी करेंगे. तो क्या करता हूँ मैं, थोड़ा आगे जाता हूं कि 10x का डेरिवेटिव sec square होता है, तो वो भी है. Here is also 10x, 10 root x. Here is sec square root x. So 10 root x का डेरिवेटिव sec square root x हो जाएगा, और डिनोमिनेटर root x है, वो देखा जाएगा क्या होगा उसका, सोचो मत, राइट? तो 10 root x, we assume let t is equal to 10 root x is equal to t. So derivative of 10 bracket sec square bracket, so sec square bracket and derivative of bracket is 1 upon 2 root bracket and bracket derivative is 1 dx is equal to dt. Got it? Any problem? tan bracket sec square bracket, the bracket का derivative 1 upon 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Now what is we have? हमारे पास क्या है? हमारे पास ये है sec square root x dx, sec square x root x dx. So this है, but 2 नहीं है, तो 2 को सामने ले लेते हैं, तो क्या हो जाएगा? sec square root x into 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 dt. This is 2 dt. So value of this, right, is 2 dt. So remaining will be I is equal to integration tan root x. Tan root x is t. So this is t raised to 4. And this all remaining is 2 dt. So this is 2 dt. Now 2 is constant. So taking outside the integral sign, this is t raised to 4 dt. Now integration of t raised to 4, you know now which formula? X raised to n dx. I am writing here integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula, right? आपको ये यूज करनी है, तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 power more. So 1 power more, that is 2 times t raised to 5 by 5 plus c, that is 2 by 5. And what is t? What is t? T is tan root x. So this is tan root x raised to 5 plus c. आंसर हो जाएगा tan root x plus 5. tan root x raised to 5 plus c. ये आपका आंसर हो गया, राइट? आप पहले सोच रहे थे root x is equal to t लेने का, क्योंकि ऐसे यहाँ बताया मैंने, as I discussed here, sin something new, sin something new, then tan something new. So assume root x is equal to t. So we assume OR method. Second OR. Let root x is equal to t. So derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So this is 1 upon 2 root x dx is equal to dt. We have only root x, so take 2 to here. That is 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Is equal to 2 dt. So what is I now? So I will be integration tan raised to 4t. This is sec square t, right? Whole upon root x dx is dt. So no need to write here. This is 1 and this is dt. I am writing on panel, right? Now again 2 functions are here, means we can't integrate this. So again assuming tan x is equal to t, then derivative of this is sec square x, right? But it is already t, so we assume, let again assuming, so let tan t, not nt, tan t is u, right? So derivative of tan is sec square t. So sec square t dt is equal to du. So this sec square t dt is du. So what is I now? So I will be integration tan is u. So this is u raised to 4 and sec square t dt is du. So now this is integration of this is u raised to 5 by 5 plus c. U raised to 5 by 5 plus c, right? So any problem? We miss out here 2, so we have to put 2 here because it's 2 dt, right? So here 2, so answer will be 2. So now substitute value of u, and what is u? U is tan t. So tan raised to 5, and what is t? Root x. So we will get same answer, right? So मैथ्स में क्या रहता है बच्चों लोग, समझो, आपके पास ये एक मेथड थी, ये एक मेथड है, और यदि आप इसके भी अलावा, इस 2 के भी अलावा तीसरी मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे तो लॉजिकली आपका स्टेप्स और इंटीग्रेशन की जो फॉर्मूला है और जो मेथड है वो सही होना चाहिए, तो आप कोई भी मेथड से अप्लाई कर सकते हो, राइट। आपके पास लॉट्स ऑफ मेथड है, 50 मेथड है, आप 51 से भी कर सकते हो। सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, देयर इज n मेथड, you can apply n+1 method also, right? But that will be logically correct, right? Conceptually correct होना चाहिए। तो ये दो मेथड से मैंने बताया, आप कोई भी एडॉप्ट कर सकते हो, आपको जो इच्छा लगे ना वही एडॉप्ट करो, right? And for that you have to practice all these type of questions. Okay, so one is missing here. I'm solving here. It's okay. I think this is enough space here. Otherwise this is also space. So fourth one, I is equal to integration sine tan inverse x whole upon 1 plus x square dx, राइट। जो एग्जाम्पल है ना वो आप एग्जाम्पल एक बार रीड करो, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्या करना है, आपको स्ट्राइक हो जाना चाहिए क्या करना चाहिए। देखो sin tan inverse, what is due? Tan inverse. If we assume for tan inverse, then derivative of tan inverse is, yes, 1 upon 1 plus x square is already there. So what is our assumption? Tan inverse x is equal to t. So we assume that, got it? पता चल रहा है ना भी क्या करना है वो, हाँ। तो we assume that tan inverse x is equal to t. So let tan inverse x is equal to t, right? So if we differentiate this, then what is our answer? 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt, right? So this is 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. This becomes dt, right? So I will be integration sine, this is t, and this everything is dt, and integration of sine t is minus cos t. So answer is minus cos t plus c, and minus cos, what is t? Tan inverse x. So answer will be cos tan inverse x plus c. So this is your answer, right? So I hope that you follow. आपको पता चल रहा है क्या करना है, कैसे इंटीग्रेशन करना है, राइट? पता चलता है ना, हाँ? ओके, तो और ज्यादा एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं अभी।